How to create an if and else block using Jinja Flask. So let's say given you're creating a backend, you're creating a front end, and you want to use if else condition somewhere. Like let's say if user is logged in, then show this. If user is not logged in, then show this. So how to achieve it using Jinja? So this is a pretty short video, and I'll show you the easiest way. What you can do is you have to kind of pass the flag. So this is the basic template way, like how actually you can create an if else. This video is not focused on how you will pass the variable. Instead, it is focused on what will you do once you have already passed the variable. So let's say I'm actually passing a status as true. Now this can be any variable which you are getting from database, from in any ways. Now what we have to do is, the goal is, in a way, what we have to write is something like, I'll just write here in h1. Let's say, for example, you're creating a login sign up workflow. So let's say if you want to do something like hello Prakhar, if the user is logged in, and if user is not logged in, you want to kind of show something like hello, just hello, okay, like hello user. So let's say this is the requirement. So right now, if I just start the server, what should happen? If I just refresh it, it will show everything, hello Prakhar and hello user. So now what we have to do is we have to add this condition so that when we pass a status, based on status, it actually changes its value. So let's say right now we have hardcoded the status as true. This can be, this can come as dynamic. So what you do is you just create this cursive braces, and you just start an if block, and you write as a normal, and you say status equal true. And now this is your if part. Now for else, you just write something like else, and then you write whatever in else you want to do, and then of course you have to kind of break or complete the end if block. So you just write end if, and yeah, then now it's done. So if you now refresh your page, so if you refresh the server, it just says hello Prakhar because I have sent the status as true. If I send the status as false, like I said, this can actually come through an API, this can come through as a status, this can be actually a part of or a result of some calculation or anything which you are doing. So now I have actually passed status as false, so it just says hello user. So yeah, that's how you basically create an if and else block inside a HTML file using Jinja and Flask.